Hi, ni hao, I'm Chef Tom. Cooking pad thai. Medium high heat. Preheat the frying pan for like a couple minutes, nice and warm. I got this beautiful fern tofu. Fry the tofu. And this is a pad thai noodle. They come in dry in the package. You soak into the hot tap water for 15-20 minutes. You'll be good. And here I got some vegetables. Spring onion, carrot, hot chili, a little bit of carrot. We're gonna cook the noodle until tender. Few minutes. Depends how hot is your frying pan and how soft you soak the noodle. Since the fern tofu is easy to pan fry like this. Vegetable. Make sure the noodle cook through. See, they start getting softer now. Okay, next. Little garlic, little ginger, some hot chili, more. And I got some apple cider. Maybe 1.5 tablespoons. And I have this tamarind. Just like a sour plum. Get them at 1 tablespoon. And we need sugar to cook. Maybe 1.5 tablespoons. And then we need some fish sauce. About a couple teaspoons. And then give them a quick stir. Basically, there's your pad thai sauce right here. Super! You see that color? Start changing, start getting softened. Then we're gonna stir fry the tofu. Here we go. Next thing, I got this gorgeous jumbo shrimp. The shrimp doesn't require too long to cook. You see this beautiful jumbo shrimp? I move it here for you a little bit, let you see it. Couple minutes on each side until they're nice and pink, then you're good. And here, we might add a little more oil, just a tiny little bit. And we're going to scramble an egg. Oh, got an eggshell, no big deal, take it out. And see the tofu frying good? So here, vegetable you can start mixing together. See how beautiful that is? Oh yeah, look at that, huh? Fish sauce is like a sodium, so you don't require to add any salt. And we got hot sauce, we got apple cider vinegar balanced with the sugar, right? And the tamarind, this one. If you bought it, you use it. Don't just sit in the refrigerator because this is great for drink, rice, soup, anything you can add it in. It's good for you. And ginger garlic, right? So look at the shrimp, beautiful. Hey, we're gonna scramble here. Scramble, scramble! Still running, mix it in! The shrimp is not quite yet. Smell amazing. Once the shrimp is done like this, done like this, you can add it in together. Oh, look at this pad thai. Woohoo! Shrimp pad thai, make it at home. Again, our theory is you don't need to wash too many pots and pans. Not greasy, healthy pad thai. Beautiful. Sesame oil. Just poquito. Yeah, I like that. Okay? Give them a quick stir. Alright. I always tell you, how do you know your food is done? The flavor, you gotta try it. If you like it, that's already good. I don't care what other people say. Let me try it. Delicious. I would like to add a little more sugar. More sweet. The fish sauce sodium is right. Apple cider sodium is, the flavor is good. Just a lack of sweetness. Because pad thai is supposed to be sweet. Here we go. Beautiful pad thai. Put the tofu on the top. The presentation is the key. Nice and neat and clean. Okay, turn off the fire. We are ready to eat. Okay, now give a try. The noodle should be nice and soft and tender. Al dente. Got a good bite texture. Not too firm, not too soft. The tofu, firm tofu, will cook this way. Got a nice warm texture. One thing about when you taste the food in the hot pan, you remember like a Korean barbecue, why the meat tastes so good? And after 37 years of cooking, I finally realized that maybe this is the right way to eat. You know, you don't need to wash any dishes. Jumbo shrimp. While still warm, turn off the heat, still keep warming up. Look at this shrimp. How gorgeous. See it? Wow. Very nice. Sorry. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Here's your shrimp pad thai. You can make it stronger or lighter or sweeter or spicier. It's all up to you. You the one in charge. Make the way to suit you. Bye.